Hey guys, and welcome to my Chanel unboxing. Let's open up the bag and see what's inside. So I'm going to grab the box out. I'm going to leave the receipt inside the bag, but it is there. And I just love the packaging as always. Let's take the ribbon off and open it up. Shout out to my SA who made it so easy for me to open this box. I sometimes struggle with the ribbon. Now we're taking it out of its pouch and we have one lambskin quilted luggage tag from Chanel. This is beautiful. It's the diamond quilted glazed leather. The tag features a polished aged gold hardware and a front flap with a leather threaded CC logo. Here's what it looks like inside. You could fit a few cards in there for sure. It closes with a snap lock. I love the CC on this one. I love it matches the chain. Here's the back. I love how you can take the chain completely off. You could replace it with even a longer Chanel chain. It's a really versatile piece. So you could wear this as a necklace around your wrist. You could wear that little chain around your wrist. You could use it as a luggage tag or even hang it off one of your Chanel bags. It's a super versatile piece, very unique, which I don't have in my collection. So I'm very grateful to have found it. I hope you liked today's unboxing. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.